हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड आफ्टरनून। ये वीडियो मैं इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स के लिए बना रहा हूँ कि कौन सी चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो कस्टम्स की रिक्वेस्ट आई थी कि कस्टम्स में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, कैसे करना है। तो कस्टम्स के लिए मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि न्यूमेरिकल जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। उसके अंदर ज़्यादा टाइप के न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं है। अगर आप कस्टम्स की बात करें, अगर आपने मॉड्यूल निकाला तो एक सेकेंड। हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून। 4.1 तो मैं इंग्लिश में बात करता हूँ क्योंकि एक दो लोग हैं जिनको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आती है। हेलो ऐश्वर्या, ये आपके लिए ही है। सो फॉर कस्टम्स यू डू वन थिंग, you solve the numericals which are given in the study mat. There are I think 20 numericals in study mat. 2 to 3 things are very important, like what is given in the question. If I am telling it very briefly, there are some rules also. But if the question tells that FOB value is 1 lakh rupees, so you have to convert it into CIF value. So for converting it, you have to add two things, that is insurance and freight. If insurance is given, add what is given. If freight is given, add what is given. It will be CIF value after adding those two, and then add 1% lending charges. It will become assessable value. Sometimes in the question insurance is not given, so you have to assume it 1.125% of FOB value. So if insurance is not given, or it is told in the question that insurance is not ascertainable, then you have to add 1.125% of FOB value. So it will be the insurance if not given. And if insurance is given, let it be any amount, you just add it. This is for insurance. Now freight can be divided into two parts, from air and from others. If the consignment is coming through air and insurance freight is more than 20%, then you have to reduce it. For example, if the FOB value is 100 rupees and the air freight in the question is given 25 rupees, that is not correct. So you have to take it 20%, because the maximum limit that is prescribed under customs is 20% for air freight only. So if you are your consignment is coming by vessel or road, then there is no limit for freight. But just for air, it cannot exceed 20% of FOB value. So if freight is given 25%, you cannot take it 25%, you have to take it 20%. So this is one trick for freight. If it is given, take it. If it is coming from air, then check, is it more than 25%. If it is more than 20%, then you have to reduce it, or if it is less than 20%, then take the actual. So this is one trick. I told you about insurance, so you have to convert it into CIF, then 1% lending charges you have to add. It becomes assessable value. Now there are three kinds of duties. One is basic duty, which will be given in the question like 10%. So on the assessable value, you just simply multiply 10%, it will come. So that is the basic custom duty. Now there are other duties like excise duty. So our module says it is additional duty of custom, or you can say what is given here, CVD, countervailing duty. But countervailing duty is not in act, means there is no specific word, it is additional duty of customs. So CVD 3/1, under section 3/1, it is excise duty. If the goods were not imported, it must have been manufactured in India. If it is manufactured in India, then you have to pay excise duty. So you have imported it, so excise duty is foregone. Government has occurred, means government is in loss because you have imported. So you have to add excise duty 3/1. It is defined under section 3/1. Now here there are two things. Firstly, excise duty had cess like education cess and secondary and higher education cess, that has been omitted, that has been deleted. So there is no as such education cess. The amount will be given like 12% excise duty, so you have to take 12% excise duty. Now after that there is another duty, additional duty 3/5. It is imposed to what we can say, means if the goods were manufactured in India, then excise duty would have been there, and when the goods were sold, then VAT or sales tax would have to be paid. But now as you have imported, sales tax is also not paid, so 3/5 is imposed to counterbalance the effect of sales tax and VAT. So basic custom duty, 3/1 excise, 3/5 sales tax. That's it in customs. And there are something inclusions and exclusions. And for calculation, assessable value, FOB plus freight plus insurance, assessable value, on it 10% basic excise duty, then CVD, that is 3/1. Now I will not tell every time that 3/1 is related to excise. So 3/1 excise duty will be levied on assessable value plus basic duty. So it will come some amount. Then afterwards you have to add cess. Excise duty cess are removed, but in customs you have to add two cess, that is secondary and higher education 2% and 1%, so 3%. Now cess will be applicable only on the duties, that is basic duty and excise duty 3/1. After adding the cess, you have to calculate 3/5 duty. So 3/5, that is sales tax duty, is calculated on assessable value plus basic duty plus 3/1 plus cesses. So this is it. This is in customs. Not a tough question. Just you have to remember the freight concept, what is there, air freight or normal freight, and insurance, and how to calculate. That's it. And there are some inclusions and exclusions that you can read in the module. They have told that see page number 4.23, they have told, bad connection. Am I visible, friends? Please reply. Hello. Yeah, you can see it offline. So on page number 4.23 of the module, there are given certain additions in the custom duty. You study that, means you have to add or less. I have told about insurance and freight. There is nothing in customs. You have to read theory if you want to solve 1-2 mark questions that are given in a question paper. Like first question is compulsory 20 marks, so it will cover 5 to 6 marks of customs. But while solving the numerical, I don't think you will have any problem if your concept is clear. You can check December 2016 paper and you will be able to solve the question. Just read inclusions and exclusions in the custom duty, custom valuation, and freight, insurance, and how to calculate. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, and if you have any doubt regarding customs, please tell me in the comment box. I will solve your doubt. Thank you very much.